So it turns out your 10-year career at that local hotel and casino isn't doing so well. After a massive virus with an insanely low fatality rate forces your company to furlough over 70% of its staff, including you, now what are you gonna do? So now all you're left with are these useless social media pages, including ones like Instagram. And you want to know how to monetize these social media platforms to make some money. I'm sure nowadays you're seeing a bunch of women getting rich off of OnlyFans. Now, all this women empowerment and making money online is amazing. It kind of trends the line for me. I'm all about entrepreneurship, making money online, yet where's the self-respect? I get it, some of you are quick to judge OnlyFans accounts. I once was too, until I realized the amount of money that these women are raking in. So you got all these amazing social media platforms and you want to know how to monetize it with OnlyFans. And fellas, this trend isn't just for the ladies. Hey, what's going on, guys? Tyson Dela Cruz here. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you're enjoying the content that you see, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. In this video, I'm teaching you how to make money on OnlyFans. Before we get into how you can cash in on OnlyFans, you gotta know what OnlyFans is. OnlyFans is basically a social media strip club. It's a place where people are paying hundreds of dollars to see a crescent of an Instagram influencer's areola. Or it's for that chick that you went to high school with that thinks Mercury retrograde was the reason why she works at Chipotle. I know. We already know this. I've been here several times. I know guac is extra. Dudes are throwing tip money at OnlyFans women as if it were a wishing well to their wildest dreams. It's a very admirable and sought after profession.
Nice. Very nice. Thanks.
These OnlyFans account holders are straight f***ing hustlers. They're even charging for individual DMs. Back in August, Bella Thorne broke the internet by hopping on OnlyFans, gaining over 50,000 followers and earning almost $2 million in a week. So the actual statistic remains true. The more famous you are, the more people want to see you naked. One of the most amazing things about OnlyFans is you don't even have to be the hottest, sexiest, or good-looking person. It's simply all about just exclusivity here. Kind of like what Apple does with their iPhones. It's all about supply and demand. It's probably a similar reason why people buy Balenciaga sneakers. They don't even consider the fact that they look like prescribed orthopedic shoes. Everybody wants it, but not everybody can afford those things. Kind of like OnlyFans. One of the biggest risks you run starting a fans-only account and being topless all over the internet is you might not be able to be the president of your PTA and book club. The last thing you want to do is bottleneck yourself and only rely on OnlyFans for a source of income. So you need to diversify a little bit. Alright, enough about what OnlyFans is. Let's talk about how you can make money on OnlyFans. Okay, let's take the typical mid and micro level influencer. Typically an attractive woman who started a thirst trap Instagram account disguised as a fitness page. And now this cleverly disguised fitness page has 30,000 followers and your links to doTERRA essential oils and Reiki crystals aren't necessarily paying the bills. OnlyFans might be for you. You are in an absolute amazing position to start an OnlyFans account. You have an incredibly engaged, established audience waiting and ready for you to post the next motivational pic of you half naked saying, "Hard work pays off." The most wonderful thing is you might not have any transferable skills, work experience, or potential career to be at risk with. You can go from yogi to at-home online stripper making 10K a month in a matter of minutes. 2020, making dreams come true. First, before I get a comment or a bunch of DMs about women empowerment and feminism, I fully support women empowering themselves and empowering their body in the spirit of entrepreneurship. That's why I'm making this video. What I've discovered about feminism through the eyes of social media is that feminism is all about showing off your titties. Just enough titty to place those little scratchy mark emojis over your fully naked body right here. Now, if you're one of those people that used to trash other people for posting potentially risque Instagram posts, or maybe you used to talk down to strippers or call girls, but now all of a sudden it's cool because now you can get paid. Saying all those things about those people and starting an OnlyFans account, that makes you a hypocrite. Now let's talk about the other side of the coin. If you got less than 1,000 followers, I don't really recommend starting an OnlyFans account. You gotta first build up your inventory of sexually provocative posts and Instagram stories. Now let's talk about equal rights really quick. Men, you're probably thinking to yourself, yo, how can I cash in on this OnlyFans trend too? Maybe you're a good looking dude like myself, you're not a basically nail life and you dominate on Instagram with over 30,000 followers and you have over 70% male demographic on your page. Sure, you can start an OnlyFans account, but your OnlyFans on OnlyFans are gonna be dudes.
Where are the babes?
And showing off your body to a bunch of dudes might be considered gay. Nothing wrong with that, just note it. I don't know if you're confident and strong like me, it necessarily won't affect you as a heterosexual male. Although this might seem like a far-fetched subject for some, duly note that some dudes like seeing other dudes do stuff. So if you're alright showing your jacked bod or dad bod to other dudes, do it. So if you're a dude and you want to get your Dick Tracy wet on this OnlyFans cash cow, starting an account might be for you, bro. Another profound business model that you can start on OnlyFans is formulating a model agency. Basically being a digital pimp. Collect and gather a bunch of models and offer your savvy business skills and marketing expertise for a cut of the proceeds. Setting up those photo shoots and getting those hard to reach wide angled ass shots. Basically creating Instagram promotions for your horny male demographic audience. Digital pimp or modeling agency is also here to protect you from DMs, give you some marketing advice and direction, and help you with your brand identity on OnlyFans. Also protecting you from fake ass motherfuckers sliding into your DMs saying that they'll help you with your business. Basically, the modeling agency and digital pimp service on OnlyFans is here to promote you and make you like a star. You as a modeling agency digital pimp service on OnlyFans basically convince thirsty men or women that they need your help. And it's important to attach themselves to you for brand identity and future company development. So the question still arises, is OnlyFans still a good choice for you? And which service and direction do you choose to go with OnlyFans? If you have 10 to 15,000 followers, you're broke, hungry, and maybe a little desperate, you definitely can use your body to exploit hungry, thirsty people and cash in on OnlyFans. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you think OnlyFans might be for you, I'd love to hear it in the comment section. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you get to go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Make sure your notifications are turned on. As always, be kind, rewind. Peace.